Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin in Excel with a workbook open. Select any cell so Excel registers focus. Once done, go to File then Options, because the Speak cells controls live in customization areas. Make sure to inspect both the Quick Access toolbar and the ribbon customization panels. These are where Speak cells and Speak cells highlighted appear as commands. You're removing them, not disabling System TTS, so this targets Excel's Speak action directly. This immediate focus keeps you from changing global accessibility settings. Now you remove the commands. In the chosen customization view, find the speech category or use the drop-down to show all commands. Once you see Speak cells and Speak cells highlighted, select them one at a time and click Remove. This detaches the command from the Quick Access toolbar or ribbon. Make sure to apply, then click OK so Excel writes the change to your profile. Doing this removes the clickable controls that trigger speaking without altering Windows Narrator or other TTS settings. Finish by testing. Select a range and try the Speak command or any keyboard shortcut you previously used. It should no longer appear on the ribbon. If speech still occurs, check active add-ins or workbook macros. VBA can call application. Speech. Speak and will bypass toolbar removal. Disable suspicious add-ins or inspect VBA modules. If customizations didn't persist, restart Excel and, if needed, use Reset Ribbon or Reset Quick Access toolbar to restore defaults. That ensures Speak controls are.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.